Hey everyone, Jeff here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the 2024 D23 Gold Member Collector Set. Now this year, this collector set is the Magic and Mystery Box Collector Set, which contains a Sorcerer Mickey figurine, 1 mystery figurine, 2 mystery pins, and a deck of playing cards, as well as your D23 Gold Member membership card and certificates. So taking a first look at the box is very well themed. It's very, like it says from the title of it, it's very magic and mystery, as it has on the top there. On the back, it has the 2024 D23 Gold Member Collector Sets. And on the front, I believe it gives us a glimpse at some of the things that we could see inside, like the mystery figurine and some of the mystery pins. And on the bottom of the box, it also acknowledges that this year is the 15-year anniversary of D23. All right, if we take a first look inside the box, this is what we see here. Oh, it's just a nice piece of cardboard. I'm not sure what this is though. Oh, this is our note from D23 regarding the membership or the collector sets. It says, "Dear guest, please be aware that small amount of silicone has been applied to the figures as part of the production process to help mitigate damage to figures during shipping. This non-toxic oil can easily be wiped off with a dry cloth. Thank you, the D23 team." So that's kind of interesting. So I wonder if these figurines are going to be a little oily, like when I first get them out, but I guess we will see. Ooh, that's what we have there. And I like how they keep it a mystery as the box is themed to, instead of just like opening up the box and then you see what you have. I like how you have this covers here to actually unwrap and unbox your mystery pins and your figures. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I think the first thing I want to check out here is these Magic and Mystery playing cards. And I actually like the design on the packaging of these. These are really nice. You have the D23 Magic and Mystery logo on the front there. Let's give these an open and check out the design on them. Open these up and they're sealed. Ooh, I already like these. You have the Cheshire Cat on the back there. A very nice finish for the Joker card. And the back of these cards, these they're not trading cards, but playing cards. They're amazing. Like, just like the design on the back, like Disney doesn't make playing cards like these. So I really appreciate this. I'm going to open these up so I can see all of the other designs on there too. And I'm sure they're going to be awesome. All right, let's go through these. Ooh, so the Joker is the Cheshire Cat. Ace, or one of them, is Tinkerbell. That's pretty cool. The numbered cards are just regular standard number cards, no fancy designs on those. The Jack is Jiminy Cricket. Queen is Ursula. You have Jack Skellington on the King card. That's awesome. Oh, so each suit is a different character, which I like. So the Ace for the Spades is Tinkerbell, and the Ace of Hearts is the Fairy Godmother, which is pretty cool. Lumiere, Queen of Hearts. We have Mufasa as the King of Hearts. We have the Evil Queen on the Queen of Clubs. Hades as the King of Clubs. Oh, they even included Star from Wish on here. Star is the Ace of Diamonds. And for the last suit, the Diamonds, we have Mushu as the Jack of Diamonds. Elsa is the Queen of Diamonds, which makes sense, and Jafar as the King of Diamonds. All right, so like I said, big fan of the playing cards, and just for like being playing cards, like just the amount of detail and design that are into these, I really appreciate. But now let's go to what is next. So here we have, it says this is the Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey Mouse collectible figurine. I think I'm going to save that for last. And to the right here is the Magical Mystery Character collectible figurine. I think we'll do that second to last. But next, I think I'm going to unwrap what's in this little bag here. And I believe this should be our mystery pins, and I believe we get 2 of them, right? And looking in here, the first one I see is I believe this is the Madrigal family candle. So this is from Encanto. I'll give you a closer look at that. Not the one I was hoping to get for the most, but still a really nice pin. And the second one, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is a cool one. All right, I do like this one. This one we have Madame Leota here from the Haunted Mansion. And this is Madame Leota's crystal ball. So pretty cool one to get. Now I have to say, I was really hoping to get the Genie's Lamp or Maui's Fishhook, but I will settle for Madame Leota's crystal ball. That one is pretty cool. Alright, next up, I think I'm going to unbox, like I said earlier, I'm going to do the Magical Mystery Character Collectible Figurine. Now, on these, it actually shows you on the back, you can get Genie, Mama Odie, you can get Merlin, or Maleficent. Now, I think with these, I would really like the Genie one with the most. Mama Odie would also be pretty cool, but let's see. Let's take a look here and see what we have. Right, and okay, this is a pretty cool one. So it's not either of the ones I wanted, but I do have the Maleficent figurine here. And I have to say, the detailing of this is incredible. Let me take this out. Let me take this out of the packaging here. There is Maleficent right there, and it comes with her staff as well, right? And I will say, noting from the card earlier, Maleficent, the figurine herself, isn't very oily, but I will say the packaging in which she came in is. So I don't know if it's just to like keep it slick on the inside or what, but I believe here with Maleficent, her staff just goes in her hand like so. So I'm trying my hardest not to do anything because it is very, her hand right here is very fragile, so I don't want to break that. Alright, so to the best of my ability, I was able to get the staff in Maleficent's hand there. I could only go down about halfway, which is like, there's like a little divot on the outside there, so I can't really like adjust it any farther. And of course, like I don't want to break it either, so that's as far down as the staff will go. Just a heads up, if you get Maleficent in your collector set box, the detail on this is really nice, so it's something I really appreciate, and I'm probably going to put on my wall. Alright, and lastly now I have here the Mickey Mouse Collectible Sorcerer figurine. And I will say, like with the Maleficent figurine I had as well, the Mickey one is very lightweight. Now there is quality and detail in there, but it's not a very like sturdy or heavy figure, so just be aware of. Alright, open that up there, and inside we have Sorcerer Mickey. Now, Sorcerer Mickey was already shown before then, and I have to say, I'm a big fan of Sorcerer Mickey, pretty much anything, and this goes right with it because this piece is incredible. I absolutely love this. This will absolutely be going on my shelf, and I'm a big fan of this. I do think, though, this is probably something that they could sell online at the Disney store or inside the theme parks. With a lot of, like, the cooler stuff, or in my opinion, the cooler stuff, they like to save that for D23 members, which I appreciate, and I mean, I would have bought this either way, so I'm glad to add this to my collection. Right, so that's it for inside of my mystery box. I did look inside the box and pull out this like little centerpiece, and it looks like in years past, the membership card and certificate will be shipped separately, but that's all I have for you today though. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you thought of the collector set for 2024. To me, the D23 Gold membership is worth it alone, just for this gift and the magazines that they send out every quarter. But I mean, there's also other perks that make it worthwhile too, like access to be able to attending special events, discounts. The merch is a lot better in my opinion than what you see inside the parks or online at the Disney store, but let me know what you think in the comments down below. Have you opened your D23 2024 Gold Member Collector Set this year? And let me know what mystery items you have. That's all I have for you today though, and I will see you all next time.